When I started medical school, I think that I was surprised at how bad I thought the lectures were. It took me a while to realize that the reason why the lectures were bad wasn't because the people giving the lectures were bad, but actually because their incentives weren't aligned so that they could provide a quality education. So what do I mean by that? In high school, if you had a class and you had some assignments that counted for your grade and other assignments that didn't count for your grade, then generally, right, people, if they're rational, would work on the things that counted towards their grade. That is true at every level, and that's also true for medical school lecturers. And so medical school lecturers, in most cases, are not paid for teaching. That's important because they are paid for their research and/or they are paid for their clinical practice. And so what that means practically is that teaching becomes a really, really low priority. And if anything, it becomes this distraction for them towards the things that they are actually getting rewarded for. That's not to say that there aren't good lecturers. I actually think that there are some remarkable lecturers who work against their sort of economic incentives in order to provide really, really good education. But I would argue that that actually is the exception that proves the rule. Now, if this sounds familiar, a lot of research universities and large famous schools for undergraduate, that is essentially the problem and the criticism of those schools. What's different for medical school is that the lecture structure is fundamentally different from anything you've probably experienced prior. And so in undergrad, what most students have experienced is that there's one professor that teaches the entire course. In med school, that now becomes different. So you have multiple lecturers, oftentimes specialists in their particular field, teaching small portions of a given organ system. So for example, when I was at Stanford, we would have 3 lectures per day in the morning, and each of those lectures was typically given by a different person. And oftentimes, the people that gave one lecture wouldn't be the same that would give another. In addition to having a sort of disincentive towards education based on the system, you also have the fact that there's really no one person outside of maybe the course director who is responsible for the overall student's comprehension of a particular topic. So what does this mean for you as a medical student? I'm not blaming them, because if I wasn't paid or promoted based off of my teaching, then I'm gonna try and spend the least amount of time putting together something, right, for the most part. And it's going to be something like my research, or it's going to be something I already know a lot about or have a presentation already regarding. What that means though is that you are going to be responsible for your own education. So you have to be able to make the connections between the content yourself. You have to find the fundamental concepts. You have to be the one that's going to put it together. And so the phrase that I commonly would think of as a medical student was, it's not my fault, but it's my responsibility. And so I think that that's an important thing to keep in mind before you enter medical school, to know that there are going to be some things that systemically are going to make it harder for you to have a cohesive education. It's not going to be your fault, but you do have the responsibility of making sure that you can put it all together. If you're a medical student or a doctor preparing for either the USMLEs or COMLEX or one of your medical board exams, then be sure to sign up for our free 14-step program where we'll walk you through the most efficient ways for you to improve your score in a short period of time. And if you're interested in getting there faster, be sure to book a free call with our team where we'll break down what it is that's holding you back and, if it makes sense, explain how it is that we can help you to get there more efficiently.